Innovation at the service of sustainable growth, reinventing our cities in harmony with nature and the environment. These are our mission goals at Estia Synergie. Thanks to our technology, we are building stronger roads. In order to preserve the quality of the soil, we recycle existing materials only up to a depth of 30 centimetres, using a unique mineral component called Novacrete, which ensures our roads are more durable and waterproof. Smart technology for cities, in which Estia Synergie supplies natural solutions using solar energy, a type of energy that makes electricity more accessible and less expensive, empowering citizens to efficiently and remotely manage their own energy consumption. In both cities and rural areas, we use solar power to positively impact the lives of inhabitants. Solar-powered pumps run on electricity generated by our photovoltaic panels, extracting water from the ground, filtering it and then distributing it. Estia Synergie now has hundreds of solar power stations in Africa. Our Estia know-how also allows for the storage of huge quantities of water in water bladders, essential for agriculture. With these cost-effective and clean energy sources, Estia provides access to water for millions of people across the world. Water to save lives, reducing the spread of disease. And on the African continent, a dozen countries have already put their trust in technologies developed by Estia. And worldwide, more than 20 other countries have also chosen our innovative solutions. Estia Synergie, sustainable solutions in your hands.